going the speed limit. Oh, no. Couldn't see that. Could not see that. There's nothing he could have done. Kept it up, though. Very good. Very good. Yeah, move to the shoulder as quick as you can. Camelback. Oh, this is Phoenix. This is Phoenix. There you go. Good job. Who wants to guess what kind of Honda this is? Do a T-clocks. Check everything. You don't know what you hit. You don't know the damage. So he said front tire blowout at 77 miles per hour. All right, let's see. There it is. Whew, I paused it right at the right second. You will not see that. That is like a piece of metal. That's like a piece of metal in the road. Sometimes stuff happens. Now the thing that you're supposed to be trying to do is looking for roadway hazards, okay? So you're constantly scanning back and forth. You're constantly scanning back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. You're looking for escape routes. You're looking for space cushions. You're looking for other hazards. But, man, sometimes when you got the shadows involved, you got this and this, and you got a lot of roadway debris. There's just, whew. You can't see it. You just can't see it until the last second. So, thankfully, he was able to keep it up. That's what she said. So he hits, and you're going to get this massive vibration in your handlebars, and you're going to try your best to fight it. You're going to try your best to keep it up. But, man, there's sometimes it's going to be a big problem because you might actually just dump it. So one thing you don't want to do is slam those brakes, okay? You want to try to ride it out as best you can, okay? Those gyroscopic forces are going to help you out. Hey, Olav! Woo! Welcome to the crew. So as soon as you're able to hopefully maintain and keep it up, you're going to want to go ahead and pull over to the side of the road as best and as quick as possible, as safe as possible, too. So you're constantly checking mirrors. Looks like he's checking his mirror right now. That's why the camera angles towards that right mirror. He's doing head checks, checking the mirror, head checks, checking the mirror, head checks, and get off the interstate as soon as you can. If not, at least get to the shoulder on the right side and do a T-clocks, okay? You want to check your tires. You want to check everything, okay? Because you don't know what that thing did. If your tires look okay, you want to check your rims, make sure you have good tire pressure. I always keep a little tire pressure gauge in my saddlebag just in case, and I want to make sure that everything is fine. The last thing you want to do is be like, oh, you know, I hit something and just keep riding. Philip, welcome, baby. Welcome back. You don't want to keep riding and all of a sudden your tire shreds and blows up, especially your front tire, because if that happens, you lose everything. You just absolutely lost everything. And it's like, well, I just wanted to keep riding. I didn't think anything of it. Boom, you lost everything. And then you crash later. So what you want to do is pull over, double check everything. This is why you have insurance. This is why you have possibly your insurance has like a tow service. You can tow your bike. You can tow this, or you can maybe have a friend come pick you up. But if you absolutely had to, just leave the bike there and go home. Try to find a way home or try to find somebody to come pick it up later. But it's just an overall bad situation. And I'm glad he was able to keep it up because that's my biggest concern is crashing. So, I mean, if the bike gets stolen, the bike gets damaged, whatever. And I understand it comes from a position of, you know, you can afford the bike, you can afford insurance. Some people can't. And they only have like maybe liability and this and this and this. That's why it's so important to have protection for your bike, not just for you, is so just in case something like this happens, you can actually take care of it. Okay, there's more of a financial responsibility when it comes to motorcycling than you think, and you only have 2 tires. So if you damage and break one, especially the front, you're kind of screwed. So just move over as quick as you can, be as safe as possible. Grab yourself a rock form mount, not one of these Ram mounts. Use code DanDan25. Anyways. Good job on him for keeping it up, moving over the shoulder. Did a check. Very good.